everybody. It's another day, obviously. Today I've got to go and sort out the barbecue, but morning, Karen. Today we're going to sort out the barbecue. I'm going to give it a nice clean. I've got some gas being delivered because the local store stopped. They closed down basically, so just got to sort the bottle out, give it a wipe over, and get it downstairs for the old delivery man. Excuse me. So I'll just get a cloth and wipe this. Don't forget to do all the edges. Anyway, let's get this downstairs. Right, so that's downstairs, waiting for the new cylinder to arrive. I don't know whether I'll give you a tour of my flat anyway, or our flat, which Mr. and Mrs. Urban live. This is our bedroom. It's quite a small bedroom, but I managed to fit everything. I had all these wardrobes made to measure, and the little side cabinets. This cupboard at the end is where Mrs. Urban does all her creative stuff, all her craft stuff. She makes all cards to order, like this one. This is a new one she's just done. The woman was Irish. She's 80 years old and she used to run a pub, so you've got all the bottles in the bar and the little leprechaun and all the Irish flag colours. So yeah, this used to be the hallway. I knocked through and built this unit for the TV, and there's storage above. There's a loft. Yeah, that's about that really. And yeah, morning. And yeah, so this is a bathroom that we totally ripped out when we moved in here because it was an absolute joke. They wouldn't do anything. So new tiles, new bath, new sink, toilet. Made that cabinet myself. Because there was obviously no room in here, so I made that. And yeah, so everything was ripped out in this one. All new doors everywhere. Got all new doors in the flat. Kitchen was absolutely disgusting when we moved in. It was bright orange tiles, floor to ceiling, and dark oak cabinets. That came out the second day we moved in. Ripped it all out. Went and ordered a kitchen. And fitted all the kitchen myself. So everything fits. Everything's got its place. Even down to a slimline dishwasher. And over the years, you know, we put a TV in here, and obviously, as you see on one of the other videos, got the fridge that we wanted, fridge freezer with the ice maker, working out very well. And we've got some little racks for like these Cokes, which are really good, so you can just take them out. And yeah, so the kitchen all nice and tidy. I've just ordered one for me beers, so that's cool. So that's all working out well. We are really pleased with it. The freezer, yeah, that's working out really well. We're getting some more of these little tubs down here to put up here, so we can have the chicken in it, and the like the beef and the mince and the lamb in nice containers. And yeah, it works out really well. We're really pleased with it. Ice maker's doing its job. You know, that's that's really good. Really pleased with that. And then, of course, oh, in here there's no room in the kitchen, so this is just a cupboard. So I put a shelf in, put the washing machine in, tumble dryer, and just storage above. And this one is just storage with all stuff, you know, like bathroom stuff and all that sort of gear, all spares up there, bulbs and things, a few tools down here. And this is just a boiler cupboard, there's no point showing you that. And of course, I have the front room, like living room, which has changed a lot. Obviously you wouldn't have seen it. There used to be a cupboard door there, which was the old boiler. That got boarded up and opened up into the bedroom, like across. So like Mrs. Urban uses that for her craft fair. And then over the years, you know, bought these cabinets. TVs are getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Chaise lounge, sofa type. Just about fit. Well, it used to be lovely in here until I put the editing studio and all my monitors and everything. You know, it just about got enough room. So we might look into getting a new sofa, so it's a little bit smaller, and I'll have a little bit more room. Because really, I want to put this lot over in this corner, and I might get a sort of corner arrangement here. And it's a shame because I paid a lot of money for this sofa. And it's all reclining. All this is all reclining. And yeah, so that's a little tour of my flat, or our flat, I have to say. So Karen 2.0, I've let it run so it runs out of battery. It's been no, I've upset it. Just pick this off the top. It's getting the ump. And this has been running for about, I don't know, an hour or so. Bear in mind, I've done it yesterday, the day before. Look at this. That's just been running around the flat. It's all dust. A few, obviously, pet hairs. It just goes round and round and round and round. So yeah, so I'm well impressed with this. So give it a little clean out, put it all back together, and let it rest for, I don't know, till tomorrow, and it'll do the same thing again. So, as I said, let's crack on with the barbecue. That's that done. Just lit it, Just like burn it out now, get rid of all the residue, and that'll be ready for the next barbecue. Let's see what else we can do.